The Lesson Builder is an automated tool designed to generate a complete lesson structure filled with high-quality content on your chosen topic. Let's open the Lesson Builder, select one of the existing lesson templates, and click the Customize button to set up our future lesson in detail. First, enter the language theme for the lesson. For example, English B, one lesson about travel delays with vocabulary and comprehension practice. Next, add a vocabulary or situational topic like grocery shopping. Set the lesson duration. Keeping it under 60 minutes is highly recommended to reduce potential errors. Finally, choose the CEFR level and the student's native language if you wish to adapt the explanations and lesson structure to their cultural background. It is also important to select the correct lesson style, as this choice defines the pedagogical logic of the lesson. Teacher-led one-to-one. A live lesson script featuring teacher cues. Communicative practice. A speaking first practice and role-play setup. Story/self-study. A narrative flow designed for independent work. And task-based lesson. A structure built toward a practical final task. Next, let's configure the sections. You can add them manually or choose predefined sets from the Lesson Type drop-down menu. Some blocks include their own custom settings. Review the available options and pay attention to their descriptions to ensure the output meets your expectations. In the Additional Instructions, optional SAR, C field, you can provide extra guidelines regarding the lesson format, structural requirements, tone, or specific style. Once you launch the generation, you will see two stages. First, planning, where the system outlines the lesson structure, followed by generation, which displays a timer and a character counter. You can interrupt the process, but we do not recommend it. By that point, the platform has already spent resources working on the lesson, and the tokens will be deducted from the school's balance. It is always better to let it finish. After the generation is complete, a careful review is essential. Click Enter Widget Edit Mode to switch all exercises into editing format, allowing you to quickly check the answers, options, and instructions. Click the button again to return the widgets to their normal view. The teacher's goal at this stage is to finalize edits and align text, images, tables, or widgets to match their personal expectations. Note that some widgets, such as images or audio dialogues, intentionally remain in edit mode. The teacher should check their prompts, make changes if necessary, and click Generate to create the final content. It is also a good idea to click through pronunciation widgets beforehand so the audio tracks are generated and cached before the lesson is assigned to a student. Before assigning the material, always click Clear Answers if the lesson contains any answers entered by the teacher during testing. Otherwise, the student will receive a pre-filled lesson. After verification, save your lesson.